So today I'm gonna go to this place my coworkers recommended I go to because I told them I was gonna go to the Guadalupe River, and they told me, oh, check out this one spot called Sun's Island. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Other than that, talk a little bit about how my dad is finishing up the Mustang project. I believe last time I spoke to him, he said that he was taking the heads to go get worked on so they can match up perfectly to the valves and the cam and all that. And yeah, all right, I'll cut ahead. Next up is probably going to be I don't know how well my mic is coming up right here. I'm trying out a new mic position again. So far the best mic position. I was like super happy with it last time. Uh-oh, I gotta get left. I probably could have stayed there. But yeah, so far the last mic position I had it in, I was the happiest with. But I think I can get it a little bit better. Hopefully this comes out good. If not, that sucks. I hope there's not a crowd of people, because last week I didn't get to fly my drone, so this week I brought it with me again because I don't like dealing with people that could potentially tell me, hey, we don't want that, flying that thing around here. I just don't like dealing with that. Damn, I gotta get gas. I gotta keep both of my vehicles topped off because it's really gonna start getting crazy. They were saying that it's expected to get to about $6 this summer. Let me make sure my windshield is still good. They sent me more screws. Yep, looks good. When I get to the location though, I'm going to double check that the screws are tightened. I forgot to charge my Senna, so that sucks. I just get to hear the sweet sound of my bike. That's alright.
What do you think, Lance?
It's an amazing machine.
Making good time. It's only 7 a.m. I want to say I left my house at like 6:30 and now it's 7:15. It's not bad at all. Yeah, most of this trip today is just going to be a freeway ride. Again, I don't know how well this mic is going to be able to pick up audio, but I'll wait to see when we get off the freeway to start talking about my dad's car. Okay, apparently the Guadalupe River is right here. See if I can take a look. Yep. Oh, that is awesome. Hell yeah, I'm gonna fly my drone around. Get some good footage. I wish my bike was a little bit quieter. I'm sure these people don't appreciate Cammed out 114 rolling through.
Did someone say something?
And it's not that bad if I pull the clutch in. But yeah, I don't know if it came up in the video earlier. Basically, the only thing I have to say about my dad's car is he's waiting on some head shop. They're doing the work to match the heads to the cam that he picked out, so the valves open and close at the correct time. Shit, I do not want to wake these people up. But yeah, other than that, he's basically done. He's got the cam in, he's got all the valves adjusted. I don't think he has the manifold on yet. I think you got to put the heads on first before that. But yeah, he's pretty much done. And the color that we picked out, I know I mentioned it in the previous video, but the color we picked out is kind of like the fastback that Steve McQueen drove in a Bullet. I'll put a picture of it up here. Yeah, as long as I keep it in second gear and barely let out the clutch, just feather it a little bit, the bike isn't too bad.
In 600 feet, you'll arrive at Suns Island.
Oh, I guess this is the entrance of the place they told me to go to, but I'll try to find another spot where I can go get some drone footage. It'd be cool if I could just pull along over here and get some drone shots. I'm gonna see more bodies of water on the map. And my drone has pretty good range, so I don't have to be like right next to it. I would like to get as close as possible though. Now, if there's nobody up here, we're golden. And I actually have to piss too, so this would be perfect if nobody's here. Ah shit, it looks like private property. Damn it. Cool to walk down. Maybe I'll just walk down there. Yeah, we're gonna just get out of here. Unfortunately, no drone footage again this week. That sucks. But I mean, this is all private property, and I don't know what you guys know about Texas, but if you see somebody lurking on your private property, the law is on your side to blow them away. So I'm not gonna take that chance. Oh fuck, dude! A bird almost ran into me right there. Jesus Christ. Wonder if I got that on camera. That thing came a couple of feet from me, dude. So that sucks. I didn't get to fly my drone, but any day that I get to ride is a successful day. But that's going to be it for this week. Thanks for joining me, everybody. If you haven't subscribed, do so. I'll see you guys next week.